Hey, hi guys. So today I'm going to show you what we will be taking to Ladakh. So I'm packing up for the trip. So these are the 2 bags which I'm gonna pack. This is for shoes and this is for my clothes. Okay, so this is trolley bag. This one is normal. So what I have kept, I'll show you one by one. So सबसे पहले स्टार्ट करते हैं शूज़ से. So I have kept these waterproof shoes. So I bought them from Decathlon, and I have kept these white shoes. These are must for pics and all. And I have kept one, like these are the gum shoes. These are the boots I have kept basically only for the pics, like with a dress or something. And yeah, so coming to jeans, I have kept 2 jeans. One, this is a palazzo pants, and this is a normal trouser. This is a trouser, and these are the warm pants, actually pajamas जिनको बोलते हैं. So ऑलमोस्ट काफ़ी सारे हो गए हैं. So yeah, I need this. And 2 tees I have kept just in case we don't have much harsh weather there. So yeah, and warmers. These warmers are must. Leggings and warmers both. And then I have kept these sweaters, sweatshirt, and again sweatshirt and sweater. Like only 4 sweaters I have kept. We are going for 10 days, so I think these are enough for 10 days. Now coming to tops, I have kept top, 1 top, full sleeve top, and one dress. I'll pair up with this. And yeah, 1 dress and 1 suit for if we are coming via Kashmir, so I'll wear suit there, and 1 shawl. Yeah. So some hankies and 2 tees just for traveling purpose, and some night wears like t-shirts to wear in the night and shorts, and 1 towel. Yeah. So coming to jackets, I have kept like 3 heavy jackets actually, and 1 light jacket. So I have kept like colorful jackets, so as in case pics would be good. So this is red I have kept. This is ice blue color jacket, and 1 more I have kept. I have kept in my hand only. So this is a purple color jacket I have kept. ये मैं हाथ में रखूँगी ताकि मनाली में जाके मुझे like ठंड लगेगी तो I'll wear it. And this is a shawl I have kept in hand. So yeah, these are the 2 things I'll be carrying along with me with my handbag. So yeah, अभी क्या हो गया, हमारे पास 3 जैकेट्स हैं और ये, और हाँ ग्लव्स रखे हैं वाटरप्रूफ वाले. Like I bought them again from Decathlon. And yeah, socks you should carry as much as possible क्योंकि वहाँ पे like wet हो सकते हैं, and like that. 1 cap, 1 sleepers for like अगर हम होटल में रुक रहे हैं, so we need these slippers. Yeah, I'll come up to makeup later. So yeah, 1 cap is must, and some carry bags we need. Like गंदे कपड़े तो रखने हैं ना, so these carry bags are for that. And 1 dryer, some headbands I need. Yeah, some earrings I kept. Yeah, just for good pics. Yeah, some 3 earrings I kept, and comb, and yeah, makeup I'll show you. So coming to makeup, I have kept this pouch, small pouch, and only minimal makeup I have kept. कम करते भी इतना सारा हो गया. So like normal foundation, mascara, lip bindi, ये wear shoes, and then this is a makeup fixer and the primer and all that like normal makeup I have kept. like brushes, 1-2 brushes. Okay. I'll show. Pink, light pink, maroon. That's just some itra I have kept in a small bottle. क्योंकि perfume तो बहुत बड़ा हो जाएगा, so I have kept some little itra in my stuff. Yeah, so this is a makeup. These are the makeup items I have kept. Some basic stuff I have kept, and this also I have kept some. Like makeup remover. So I have packed up the items. So this I'll carry. Okay, I'll just finish this and I'll show you in the meanwhile what I'll carry in my handbag. I'll carry one sling bag, small sling bag, and in which I'll be carrying one hanky, wallet, and some lychee, and this one eye band, balm, Vaseline, moisturizer. This is a face wash I'm carrying, and of course moisturizer, lipstick, and some small items I'm carrying, which I need on the way. Yeah, so that's it. From this bag I wanted to keep minimum items, so that socks I'm carrying just in case I need in Manali after reaching. Yeah, so this is the bag I'm carrying, and I'll just zip it up. तो हमें निकलना है सुबह, तो आई एम पैकिंग 1 day 4. सुबह हम 4 बजे निकलेंगे टू मनाली. So yeah, almost it is done. So yeah.